English for class 10. Today we'll start the first poem of class 10 course, that is Voice of God, which is written by Lewis I. Newman. I will give you the poet's reference at the end, but first we'll start with the poem. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, "Go down again, I dwell among the people." In this poem, the poet describes his feelings. He says that in order to seek the nearness and closeness of God, to hear His voice, he climbed at the top of the church steeple. Steeple is the topmost peak of the church. When he reached there, he heard the voice of God telling him, ordering him to go down again. I dwell among the people. God said, in order to hear my voice, you don't have to climb any high building or go anywhere further. I dwell among the people. I live among the people. If I do something good to my people, to the mankind, to the humanity, that means you are doing good to God. So we, His creation, we are His most precious creation, and we are above all other creatures in the whole of the universe. So we must realize that God loves His people. If you hurt somebody, if you do some evil to your neighbor, maybe your family, maybe your friend, so you cannot be good in the book of God, because God lives in the heart of mankind. If you really want to be a good person, a good human being, then you have to love each other. You have to be a good person. You have to be kind to everybody. You have to be merciful. You have to be forgiving. By all these acts, you can really earn the goodwill and the nearness of God. So in this poem, the poet clearly defines that if you want to be close to God, if you want to hear Him, if you want to be in His good books, then first of all you have to be good to your brother, to your neighbors, to your friends, to each and every person, whether you know him or he or she is a stranger to you. You have to be good. Now here are some words which I thought would be useful for me to tell you the meanings. The first one is sought. Sought is the third form of seek, and seek means to want, to desire. Number two is climbed. Climb means to go up, to climb the stairs, to climb up to the mountain. Topmost. Topmost means the highest, on top of everything, the highest point. Steeple. Steeple is a church tower. It's a pointed thing which is on the church or on any religious buildings you must have seen. Declared. Declared means to be openly announcing something. Okay, now here is a little reference of the poet. The poet is Lewis I. Newman. He was an American person, an American nationality. This poem is written by Lewis I. Newman. He was born in 1893 in Providence, Rhode Island. It's a state in USA, America. He completed his education from Brown University. He practiced his doctorate and soon started his lecture in Columbia. He always Okay, here are some questions which is here in your textbook. Why did the author climb the steeple? The author climbed up to the church steeple just to hear the voice of God. He must have heard that God is above in heaven, so he thought that the church steeple would be an ideal place for this. Question number 2. Why did God tell him to go down? God ordered the poet to go down because God lives among his people. There is no need to climb any high building to hear his voice. Goodness to mankind will bring you close to God. The right way to communicate with God is to develop peace, love, and mercy among his people. God is omnipresent. Omnipresent means everywhere. Say in your own words what you think is the message of this poem. The message of this poem is clear. Love to mankind is love to God. Thank you. Central idea of the poem, The Voice of God. The central idea of this poem is that God is omnipresent. He is everywhere, and that He lives among His people. So if you have the desire to be close to Him and gain His nearness, then you should love and serve the suffering humanity. Suffering humanity means help those who are in need, who you can help out to gain God's nearness. Thank you.